मडगावच्या पुंडलीक पारकर नावाच्या एका उद्योगपतीक ई बँकिंगामार्फत कोणे फटयलो। ताच्या जाणकारी बगर ताच्या बँक खात्यांतल्यान पैसे ट्रान्स्फर जाल्या। ताणें ह्या बाबतींत पुलिशेंत कागाळ केल्या। आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
Vibhav Real Estate is in Corporation Bank for last 5 to 6 years. I received a message from bank twice. 1,50,000 has been transferred from our account twice. To my surprise, I have not issued any check. I have never transferred online any amount any time. We only do RTGS through bank and check transactions. The account is in the name of Vibhav Parker and Surekha Parker. Transaction can be made only by using Vibhav's password and Surekha's password. My mobile number was registered with bank for internet banking and OTP. Vibhav's SIM has been deactivated without knowledge and authorization, and the unknown person has obtained a new SIM in his name and did these transactions. We went to bank and got details where the amount has been transferred. So it was transferred in the name of Dipanita Bhaume and Jaiswar Amardev Kumar, and their address is Delhi.
The banks?
Bank is one Saraswat Bank, and other is some cooperative bank. We have registered now complaint against RTGS authority and Corporation Bank manager. We have also registered a complaint to DGP Panji and IGP Panji for investigation. This is a serious fraud challenging the entire e-banking. That's what I believe. The question is how my Airtel SIM got deactivated without my request. How can Airtel authority can do this? How the unknown person got my password and my wife's password? How the unknown person got our passwords and OTP? We'll go forward and we'll inform Honorable Prime Minister to investigate in the matter, as this is a challenge to his policy of e-banking.